Down a little alley in the heart of Kendal town is a tiny independent yarn shop. Welcome to the wonderful world of the kitten and the goat.
So here's the thing. A lot of patterns start off by saying, oh, work 6 rows in knit 1 purl 1 rib, which if you're an experienced knitter, you just do it. If you're a beginner, you might know how to do a knit stitch and you might know how to do a purl stitch. But does anybody actually ever tell you how to mix the two together? So I'm just doing a little bit of prep to demonstrate another different stitch. And I thought, well, let's just show you how we work a knit 1 purl 1 rib. Obvious. You do a knit stitch like that. And then you need to do a purl stitch. But your yarn's in the wrong place to do a purl stitch. You can't do that. So what you have to do is bring the yarn underneath the knitting needle so that it's in the right place. Do a purl stitch. Simple, but hang on. It's in the wrong place to do it, so you have to put it back the other side so you can work your knit stitch. You have to bring the yarn forward to work your purl, and you have to take it to the back to work your knit stitch. So how do you actually know which stitch to put on which stitch? Well, if you're working a rib, you want a row of flat stitches and a row of bumpy stitches. So to get a flat stitch, that's a knit, you're spreading the stitch out, you're putting the bump on the back. The purl stitch has got a bump at the front. So what you're doing is you're bringing the bump to the front. So knit stitch with the yarn at the back, knit, puts the bump at the back, purl, yarn to the front, puts the bump at the front. So if you ever get confused and lost, you think, oh, that's flat, so that's a knit, and that's got a bump, so that's the purl. And gradually it all lines up in your little stitches, and that is a knit 1 purl 1 rib.
Thank you for watching. Please get in touch if there's anything I can help you with. Bye.